Hello, you're watching the first lecture of this Java tutorial. We're gonna be creating a Hello World Java program in this free Eclipse integrated environment for Java. I'm assuming that you've already installed the JDK, GRE, and Eclipse itself. If not, I'm gonna leave the links in the resources section. When you open Eclipse, go to Workbench and it should look like this, and this is where we're gonna do our work. To start, go to File, New, open a new Java project. I'm gonna name it Project 1 and you can call it whatever you want. We're gonna accept the defaults right here and click Finish. And now you see that you got this project folder right here. And you can also see that you got Java system libraries included and also a source file. Now if you right click on the project file and you create a new class, which is the only class that our Hello World Java program will contain. And again, you can call it anything you like, but I'm gonna call it application. And here you can see box which you can tick to make Eclipse create a main method for you, which is gonna be the main point of our program, the entry point. And you need to have one of these in every program that you create, anywhere. So I'll tick this box to save a bit of typing and I'm gonna click finish. And now we got our class that's called application and we got a standard main method. And here we got this comment which we don't need, so I'm gonna delete it. And here I'm gonna write sysout and press Ctrl space, and Eclipse is going to make an autofill for us. And you see I've got here a println method, which is the Java's way to write to the console. Now within these parentheses I'm gonna write two double quotes. And I'll just put some text in there, hello world. And I'm gonna select this blank line right here and I'm gonna click Ctrl D, which is a shorthand cut to remove blank lines. And this is a finished Java program. I'm gonna run it by clicking the run button right here. And Eclipse might ask you if you wanna save your files, and of course say yes. And you can see the output right here, hello world. If this is your first Java program, congratulations, but make sure to stay tuned for the next lecture because there is so much more to learn in Java programming. So see you there.